This repair video for the P1700 error code is specifically tailored for Audi drivers. If your Audi is showing up P1700 code, this is for you. It indicates a problem with the Transmission Control Module, TCM, or the transmission itself, and sometimes even the ABS unit or related wiring. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error could be caused by these possible faults in your car. Low or dirty transmission fluid. ABS unit. Malfunctioning TCM. Wiring or connectors. Here is a simple DIY method you can try to solve this problem. Method A, the Transmission Control Module. The Transmission Control Module can often be found below the cover at the back of the transmission case. It should be just below the engine control module's position. Visually check the Transmission Control Module itself and its electrical connections for any damages. If the damages are found, then replace the Transmission Control Module. So here is one of the most practical solutions to fix the P1700 error code. This error occurs in OBD2-equipped vehicles. It is commonly found in Audi, Subaru, Chevrolet, Ford, Hyundai, Nissan, Mazda, Mercedes-Benz, Toyota, and Honda vehicles. If you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe us for more updates. Thanks for watching.